your goal as a VA as well. I know most of us Filipino were helping out our family, or if you are a breadwinner, then you're helping out your parents or your siblings. So, not just that. I'm also talking about your self growth, okay? So, since we have discussed about you um, finding your right tone, finding your blockages, I want you to know what's your goal for being a VA and how long do you want to keep this game. Kasi pagdating sa time na mahihirapan ka, you have to go back to this reason bakit ka nag-start. If ever nagka-issue ka kay client, you have to understand, okay, I've remembered na I do not need to assume, I have to ask. And if this is how I feel, ano ba yung goal ko? Why I am a VA now? So you have to know why you love being, like a helper, being an assistant. So you have to know what's your core value. So let's proceed. If you don't know why you're working, it's easy to feel stuck. Okay. So you have to know your goals, remind of your purpose, and keep you motivated. So if you want to buy something, if you want to purchase something, so yon. Write down how to start. So why I started freelancing at the beginning ba? Second is what do I want in the next 3 months, 6 months? Yun, ilagay mo siya sa listahan mo. How much do I want to earn weekly or monthly? What lifestyle am I working for? So yun, kasi lahat yan maapektuhan eh. Hindi pwede na you do not know what's your goal kasi hindi mo alam saan ka pupunta. What if magka-problem ka? What if masa-stress ka sa trabaho? Yun, you have to make sure na meron kang goal para alam mo saan ka pupunta. So sample would be, I want to earn $600 a month para matulungan mo yung family mo, start saving a place for them. Or maybe gusto kong mag-aral ulit, so kailangan kong mag-ipon. Or maybe gusto kong magnegosyo, kailangan ko lang ng pang-ipon. So know your goal and then create ka lang ng timeline. How long do I want it to stay in this game? Magkano ba yung kailangan kong ipunin? So yun.